Another interesting benefit of automation is the potential to interact with products directly within an ERP system. The Internet of Things (IoT) refers to items that have embedded smart sensors that can interact through the Internet. An ERP that connects to these types of products can provide information and alerts on the status of said items. Not only can this technology reduce maintenance and provide longer life cycles, it can also provide any number of other benefits, including streamlining production runs, adding visibility to supply chains, and adding efficiency to purchasing operations. An ERP system can even power down equipment and appliances when they are not needed to save energy and potentially extend the equipment's service life. The ability to determine cycles of use and then send signals to shut down is a tremendous asset. Ultimately, the information collected about issues and actual usage is invaluable in respect to designing a better and more refined product. When it comes to automation, the benefits such as improved efficiency, time savings, and reduced chances for error outweigh the costs of moving to a modern ERP. This is not exactly true. While the employee may not be working on certain routine tasks anymore due to automation, the same employee can be redirected toward a more productive use of their time and effort. ERPs have long been a great way to streamline functions within a company, and now, with the addition of evolving technology, today's ERPs are an exciting tool for any company, large or small.